This next trend, one that affects typography, is a practical one. People have a lot to say in social media messages. We are taught to be authentic and genuine and expressive of our feelings on social media, to be relevant and shareable. All of that takes a lot of space, and it can rarely be done in very short, simple phrases. This is where condensed typefaces can be very helpful. Take, for instance, this typeface for an Instagram post. This one is Acumen Variable Concept, and it has a standard character width that matches other typefaces in its classification. Condensed typefaces use more narrow character widths, allowing you to fit more characters in a total space. This image uses the same typeface, but a condensed version of the same typeface. I'm able to include my headline and still have room left over at the bottom for a visual or photo. Amazingly, both of these use the same 50-point size for its type size. What a difference using a condensed typeface makes. Instagram posts are becoming packed with information as saves become more important and valuable than likes. When you save a post, it's because it has a lot of information that's hard to remember, so you can save it for later. Instagram takes saves seriously and decides that posts with more saves must be more engaging. Therefore, they tend to rank these posts higher in search. This is why you see the trend of using condensed typography. There are logical, practical reasons why trends emerge, and this is a great example of that in action. And with any trend, you see people pushing it further. This is when we see dramatic examples of condensed typefaces like the ones being used here. Some of these are custom typefaces, and some are just hand-drawn or illustrated in vector. These elongated characters allow typography to take the center stage, creating interesting tension in a normally blank space. Another development is the use of outline type. This allows areas behind the type to be seen, but also allows typography elements to be overlapped. Once again, it gives us more room in our design. I also see this used often in motion design and short, attention-grabbing videos. Outline type paired with solid type makes super interesting videos. What I think is unique about the outline type is how the outline brings more focus to the character shapes. This means typography can becoming a stronger presence in a design. We are going to explore some popular, commonly seen condensed typefaces you can find and start to use in your social media posts. We'll be creating several examples from our short list, and we can see how we can fit longer headlines into smaller areas and still allow the design to breathe and enjoy proper margins and white space. We will also learn how to integrate outline typography so we can create unique type presentations. So let's hop right into Adobe Photoshop.